A lost locket containing the ashes of a Massachusetts boy's mother was found on Thursday thanks to a man with a metal detector. Connor Daughtry, 10, of Plymouth, has worn the necklace daily to feel close to his mother, Lynell Leonard, who died in a car crash 3 years ago. Fox affiliate WWF-XT previously reported. The necklace carried a heart-shaped locket that featured an engraving of Leonard's fingerprint and initials. Before we continue, please take some time to subscribe to Dailydose, like, and share this video with your friends. Melissa Moriarty, Connor's grandmother, said that Connor was at West Elementary School's soccer field where he lost the locket per CBS affiliate WBZ. Moriarty shared a post in a community Facebook group on Oct20 about the necklace, accompanied by images of it. "If anyone is going to the field, could you please be on the lookout," she wrote. This is where Lou Assey, 61, of Marshfield comes in. An employee for Massport, Assey looks for missing items with his metal detector in his spare time and doesn't charge for his services. He tells us that a friend of his heard the news, so on Tuesday morning, he went to West Elementary School's soccer area and started searching. "I did as much of the 2 smaller practice fields as I could," he recalls. Assey's initial hunt was interrupted by the school's principal, who told the searchers they weren't allowed on the premises during school hours but could return when classes weren't in session. So he came back the following evening and continued looking. "It was dark, and so I went back over there and tried to do more of those 2 fields with a headlamp," he says. "I found a lot of other things. I found a lot of coins. I found another pendant. I found a ring, but I didn't find what I was looking for." Assey returned to the field Thursday evening, accompanied by his wife. That day, he talked to the 10-year-old and his grandmother, and afterward, he says he had a feeling about where the missing pendant was. "It was in a completely different field than where we had been looking before," he says. "And sure enough, right in the center circle of that soccer field, right in the center, there it was." Not wanting to dig up everything and ruin the field, Assey could precisely find where the locket was after he made the initial hit with his big metal detector. "Put came a silver heart-shaped item," he says, "and so once I looked at it, I confirmed that this is it. And I turned to my wife and said, 'Okay, it's over.'" He took pictures of the discovery and sent it over to Moriarty, who, along with Connor, immediately rushed down to meet Assey in the parking lot where he handed the locket over to them. "It was kind of emotional," Assey says of their reaction. "They were very happy, to be honest with you. It was a little bit emotional for me too, and I was thrilled." Moriarty said, per WFXT, "Connor just wants to thank everyone for looking, and he's pleased that he has his mom back." Assey further tells us that he has found such things as an iPhone, a set of pliers, and 6 pairs of sunglasses in his line of work. And now he could add a boy's special necklace as part of his finds. "This was something that, in my opinion, was a must-do," Assey says about finding the locket. "Failure was not an option. Either myself or somebody else had to find this and return it no matter what it took. It's not like something that could be replaced."